Hello, class. TTT, today's turtle tips. All right. Well, now, wow, what just happened? Now, I'm going to give the class 4 words, and the first word is team water. Today, August 31st, 2025, is the final day of the project to raise $40 million to provide 2 million people with fresh drinking water. Teamwater.org there's still time to donate. Now, I had baseball, I have team water, I have outside, and we've also got YouTube. So let's spell these words. Baseball, B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. Outside, O-U-T-S-I-D-E. And we have YouTube, Y-O-U-T-U-B-E. And the most important of all, team water, T-E-A-M-W-A-T-E-R. Now, our class activity. In comments, will you tell us what kind of words? Okay, there's a type of word. All 4 of those words are that kind of a word. Now, okay, who guessed compound word? All right. Now, if you guessed compound word, you guessed correctly. Today's class activity, will you tell the class by writing it in comments, can you think of any compound words? Now, this is very important. This is the final day of Team Water. Right here, Team Water, as we are trying to finish the project. We're over $39 million in donations. We got 1 million more to go, and we have until tonight to finish it. Teacher will get this posted when he arrives home after the baseball game. So tell everyone, what are we going to do? We're going to donate to Team Water before the deadline tonight so we can accomplish the goal of raising $40 million to give 2 million people around the world fresh water. And with that, we're going to say Team Water.